My name is David Oliver. I'm second generation owner of Oliver Heating and Cooling. 47 years ago, my dad, Joe Oliver, was laid off from Boeing. He was without a job with a wife and 6 kids, and at a church prayer meeting, he was asking for prayers because he didn't have a job, and one of the members suggested that he get into the heating and air conditioning business. 47 years later, we do heating, air conditioning, plumbing, electrical, and home remodeling. We know that the veterans are putting their lives on the line for us, and we want to try to give back to them. And this was a great example of a veteran who came back and needed some help, and it's the least we can do. And what we did, we went down into the basement and kind of ripped everything that was existing out of the basement, replaced the oil furnace with a brand new one, and while we were at it, we decided to give them new central air conditioning as well. At Oliver, family is number one. We make sure that all of our employees, that their families are taken care of as well as they are. And when we heard about this project, that it was going to help their family and also their future adoptive child, that we knew we wanted to get involved. Family is very important to Oliver, and we wanted to help this family out as well.